Oh my god, I cracked my fingers. How you doing? It's me Jennifer and welcome back to my beauty channel, guys. Today I have a different video that I don't usually go to this store because it's crazy expensive. I've been there last time and I shopped last time there 2 years ago. You know, guys, I'm crazy about TJ Maxx and Ross and cheap stuff and like this. But today I have Sephora haul, and as you know, I love cosmetics, so I went to Sephora this time and I bought some kind of few expensive stuff that I like. How to show you? I always, when people do like YouTube videos, I always want to see what they have, like how does it look inside. So this is how it looks inside. So first item that I have, this is Dennis Gross, which I love skincare from Dennis Gross. He's a dermatologist. So this was $88, value $118. This is Alpha Beta Clinic at the Home 3-step extraordinary extra strength daily peel pads. Guys, I finished my first one and I love so much. First one I found in Nordstrom Rack. It was smaller one. It was really cheap. I believe like $10. It was just a couple of these. So now I bought 35 of Beta Alpha pads. These are exfoliating pads. Amazing, guys, for traveling. It's so good to travel with these things and exfoliate. You don't have to have like a scrub or exfoliation or something like this. These are so light. So this is how it looks inside. And let's take the pads first because I love these really much. Voila, this is so Dennis Gross, Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. So how does it look like? Here are 35 peels. Basically, when you travel, comes like this, number 1 and number 2. You take number 1, there is a little cloth inside. Before going to bed, you exfoliate your skin with this little cloth. It has alpha hydroxy acids and all the other beautiful acids. You exfoliate your skin, you wait around 5 or 10 minutes, and then there is neutralizer, another cloth. You neutralize with this cloth, brightens, tightens. The tightening effect that this has is just like so insanely beautiful. I've been using this now for like half year and I really love when I travel. This is so easy to use. This is such a good product. Usually this alone is $88. So in that set I got basically for free, I got this. This is Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Cleansing Gel, and this is big. This is 60 mils, which is amazing. So I'm excited to try this out. And then there is something little, what else? Alpha Beta Exfoliating Moisturizer. Wow, it's even moisturizer. Yeah, doesn't smell good, but good skin never smells good. Guys, if you have money, $88 to invest in this whole set that will last you probably like 2-3 months, it's really worth money. Trust me, I'm telling you the truth. Then I got Tarte. This is my probably, I don't know which one mascara. This is my favorite mascara of all times. I have it right now on my eyes. I don't have any fake lashes. I don't have nothing, just this mascara on my eyes. And this is from Tarte Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. I already used this morning. I'm just showing to you. I love this really much. This mascara is my favorite mascara ever in the world. I believe it's like $20, 20 something. Then for the first time I bought Marc Jacobs Remarkable Full Coverage Foundation. I actually used this morning, and it's funny thing, the foundation is really good. It's really nice. It's full coverage, but the problem, the color for me is way too light. I look like a clown from the circle, so I have to come back to Sephora and actually change the color. The girl chose for me. She was applying on my neck, but somehow it looked like it was matching. But today when I apply on my face, I look like really white clown. Then next thing that I have, Cover FX Pressed Mineral Foundation Powder. I have it on my face today. N20, color N20, looks like this. Nice, beautiful. I have today on my skin. Probably it's oily again, my skin, because I have oily skin and I'm filming. This is the second video that I'm filming today. Then guys, I bought something expensive, and because I see on Instagram everybody have this, and I'm like, okay, I will try this. I will see what is this. This is from Pharmacy Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask. This is freaking expensive, guys. I was like, I really was doubting to buy or not. This was, I believe, $56. Yeah, this is $56. This is crazy expensive to me, or the mask. I had mask from pharmacy with broccoli extract that I was using after derma rolling. Is really nice. All right, this is like very fancy packaging. Experience the science. Oh, okay, so this is really like nice and convenient packaging that you can actually read and get some information. These are farmers, scientists, cultivated, activated, the pharmacy store, unique farm, raw botanical, defined pharmacy beauty, which fuse age-old wisdom to cutting-edge technologies to create gentle formulation to refresh radiant skin. This expensive mask comes with a little spatula. Oh, it's like a magnet, it doesn't fall. Smart. Invested a lot of money in the packaging. Okay, so comes in this beautiful, nice, like a honey looking glass jar. Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask. Our natural skincare formulation are free of artificial coloring, so the color of the product might change over time. Rest assured this will not affect the product effectiveness. It remains completely safe for your skin. Smells like honey. You know what it smells like? It smells like Manuka honey. I want to try on my hand actually. Oh my god, I want to try, I want to taste it, I want to taste it, I like 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 it, I want to taste it, I want to taste it, I want to taste it. You guys thinking I'm crazy? I'm crazy. I know I'm crazy. Okay, I'll keep it for a little bit and I will see how it's gonna be after 5 minutes, this mess. I want to freaking taste it. Tastes like honey, but I believe they have more ingredients than this one, so I'm not sure what I'm eating. Alright, ingredients. Glycerin, of course you cannot eat this. Diglycerin, polyglycerin, honey extract, propolis extract, royal jelly extract, panthenol. It's not good to eat panthenol, it's okay, whatever, I try. I'm not gonna die just from licking it. So I'm gonna keep for 5 minutes and then we'll see if it's moisturized or not. Alright guys, next item that I have over here, pa-dam! This being on Instagram, everywhere on social media, such a popular mask. This is kind of expensive, I believe it's like $12. One use mask, $12, it's not cheap. So this is Shake and Shot from Dr. Jart. How do you do it? Shake it up, give a skin shot, instant hydration boost. Material step, super boost. There are something inside. I'm like stupid a little bit, way too late for the party. Shake Shot rubber mask. This is a mask, Shake Shot rubber mask, hydro mask. You have to mix those two, put inside, apply, and you're gonna get rubber mask, which gonna give you instant hydration boost. Okay, so guys, let me know now if you want me to do a review on this. I know there is reviews already, but me as a honest reviewer, honest YouTuber, if you wanna see a review of this mask, let me know. And the last product from Sephora haul, it is this one, Belif traveling kit, which has creamy cleansing foam, it has bergamot herbal extract toner, it has Hungarian water essence, moisturizing eye balm, the true cream. This was $20. This is amazing for traveling. I started traveling a lot right now, so I needed those things. I never try anything from this brand, but let's see. Have you guys tried this? Do you like it? Let me know down in the comments below if you like this and you have tried this. But what is this plastic down there? Look how tricky thing company is doing. This is a cream, guys. This is, what is this? The True Cream Aqua Bomb. This is a cream. Look at this now. This is the real size. Double less, actually. Then it's probably eye cream, which looks really big, but there. I am so open. I'm so skeptical. And there is nothing. Bestseller on the go. What is this? Why is it empty? It's supposed to be empty? Eh? Why is empty? What is this? I don't know. I have no idea. If you know what is this and what do I do with this, because it's empty and it's supposed to be 5 products, which it is 5 products, let me know down in the comments below. Alright, so from Sephora, it's done. It was priced for everything $312, not cheap. And then I ordered from Derm Store second time. I want to just tell you guys that I ordered Skin Medica TNS serum from Derm Store. Tricky thing to you guys, some secret to tell you how to get cheaper products on websites. They have a subscription box. For example, you can choose to get this serum every 3 months. You select to get this serum every 3 months, and just after 2 shipments you just can cancel and you save humongous amount of money, because this is like $260, I believe, and with subscription you pay $210, so you save freaking $50 on each shipment. After second shipment I cancel already, and 2 shipments is enough, because this is freaking expensive and I cannot afford anymore. This is amazing. I love this serum. This is crazy expensive, I know, but my skin comes before my clothes, before my rent, before my furniture, before my anything in the world. I don't even have a car. My skincare, I know it's crazy, I know it's expensive, but it's just me. Excuse me guys, I'm investing in my skincare. But you know, I don't have to explain you guys why I do this, and I love skincare. I love good skincare. I don't know. All right guys, okay, let me remove this thing now. How does it look like? Okay, here, so I washed it. Let me feel it. Nice and soft. And here here I use it, and here I didn't use. This feels smoother. This feels much smoother. And how does it look like? What the heck? It looks nicer. It looks really smoother. Can you believe it, guys? It looks much smoother. Are you kidding me? No way. It looks smoother. Okay, I'm gonna do review. I'm probably gonna do in one video. I'm gonna do review of these 2 masks. But I'm just gonna use these masks different days, and I'm just gonna put in one video, and I will tell you guys what do I think. And I see less wrinkles. I don't have much wrinkles on my hands, but maybe it's just like my imaginary something. I don't know guys. So thank you so much for watching guys. I love you so much. Let me know what is this. And thank you. Bye guys. Love you. Bye. What is this?